Hey you guys! So today I actually wanted to talk about peer response and editing because I do want to be a high school English teacher one day. And I know that this is something that we all remember a lot from high school English classes. And I guess I just want to know why the strategy is so popular. So I found that peer response and editing can be a very valuable teaching strategy for both teachers and the students. Students get a chance to think about each other's writing and they see what their classmates kind of got out of a writing assignment. Teachers, on the other hand, can see how different students learn, what strategies might work better in the future, and what corrections students already know how to make. And then I found a really good quote for why peer response and editing is so successful. Friedman 1992 states, "Working together, peers can both receive and give advice, both ask and answer questions, and assume the role of both novice and expert." And then there's my citation. So for some teacher applications, obviously you're going to have your students write a rough draft of a paper and then they can partner up and peer edit. But my first idea was to use different colored highlighters for different aspects of the paper. So pink could be student suggestions, and then yellow could be corrections, and green could be compliments. I found this a lot in my research for this idea of compliments, suggestions, and corrections. So this is definitely something that's in a lot of classrooms these days. And then my second idea was to have a group of students look at different corrections of a paper. So one student could look at the thesis, another person could look at the sources and make sure that it's all cited correctly. Another person can obviously look at the technical parts of a paper, just with grammar and punctuation and stuff. But I think that's everything I have for you guys. Thank you so much for listening.